everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I bought something the other day online because they had like this sale, and I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm like, I'm just gonna buy it. So I ordered some vinyl from JPI blanks, and they have this thing called, like, it's a 35-cent sale. So basically you get vinyl sheets for 35 cents, but you don't know what you're gonna get. It's like all a mystery, and I cannot remember how much you get. I don't know if it'll say it on here. Yeah, but anyways, it was $17.99 to get whatever, 35 times whatever to get $17.99. So I ended up getting that, and then I needed 2 sheets of red vinyl because I wanted to make a shirt with this. So I ended up just getting the heat transfer red. I've been trying to get this for a long time, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. So I ended up getting 2 12x12 sheets of red so I can work on a couple more shirts that I want to do. But here it is, all the vinyl. It's all random. So I'm gonna open it and see what I got. I already love this color, you guys. Like, this is perfect. I don't know if they give this to you by seasons or whatever. You might get doubles in here, but, and I don't have my scissors because I'm doing this at my kitchen table. But I'm just excited to have some, you know, sheets so I can do some random crafts, so I don't need sometimes a full sheet. So these are all just regular adhesive vinyl. So we got just a nice pretty mint color, and then there's a different kind of a color. No, are these the same? No, they're a little bit different. One's more of a greenish mint and the other one's more of a bluish mint. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but that is pretty. I got a nice bold yellow, a nice bold red. Oh, they give you like some really good colors. I got a nice purple. I got like a forest green, which is nice because I don't want to get like a huge roll of this color because this is a color I might not use a lot. So this is like perfect for that. I got like a blood red orange, which is pretty. Now this reminds me of a Christmas green. So I got a nice pretty green. I think this is another red. I don't know if I already have this. Okay, another red. So I don't know if I gotten 3 reds so far, which is totally fine with me. Okay, so this is a brighter red. This is what I already showed you, and this is more of a darker red. So we got that. This is a nice pretty pink. Loving this pink. I got like a coral color, which is perfect because with the crafts that I want to do for spring, this is awesome, and I could do like beach stuff. I got a nice baby blue, so yes. White, can't go wrong with white. If I can somehow, now those were all glossy, which is nice because I don't have a lot of glossy stuff. So that was all glossy colors. Now I have some matte colors. Now I have a matte yellow. Okay, and I guess we got another pink glossy and another pink glossy. Thank you, little man. So we got more of those. I have a lighter purple glossy and a darker purple glossy and another purple glossy. Totally fine. Purple is my favorite color. A nice pretty teal color. Loving it, loving it. And I like glossy a little bit more than matte, so there's that. This is kind of like a beige, so it's something we could figure out to use for that. Now we have like a mustard yellow, so we got 2 dark yellows. I got a lot of sheets. Like these are like 35 cents a sheet, which is so much cheaper for little projects. A nice little shiny pastel purple. It looks like I got another green again and another green, like a Christmas green. You guys, I still have more to go. Yes. We got a shiny gray. Pretty. Now I have a matte white and another matte white. We have a matte black and another matte black. We have a shiny like sea blue kind of, I don't know. And then this is like a little bit of a darker, shinier yellow. Another like darker green. A little bit lighter blue. This kind of reminds me of the sky, so pretty like that. And then we have more, a different kind of a blue, shiny. Another red, totally fine with that. We have a like dark, like red wine. This is another dark blue. Brown, again, this is like, brown is a color I won't use a lot, but I'm like, I need the brown. Ooh. I got a metallic silver. This is pretty. Pretty. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I just got a little bit left. Here we got a different kind of yellow and another blue. Yeah! Same two blues again. I have a gold, which is nice. I like silver better than gold, but you know, it's perfect for, you know, stuff I want to do. And then I got two more black shiny sheets, and just a couple more left, you guys. I have a shiny red. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, you're not looking at me. And then like another red, and that was it, you guys. All of that for $17.99. I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, there's so many projects I could do with this, because there's times where I just don't want to buy a whole entire roll, you know, just for a project that I want to do. And these are perfect because I have a variety of colors. I don't even know how many sheets this is. Like, I'm not even gonna count. But if you guys are interested in this, they usually have these on Thursdays. I'm not sure how long they're gonna do this stuff for, because of everything that's going on. But if you guys, you know, need stuff shipped to you, some crafts, definitely go ahead and do it. I love my Cricut machine. Like, there's so much stuff I want to do with it that I haven't even tried yet. So I'm learning it every single day. But yeah, those are all the vinyl colors I got, you guys. Like, these are all everything that I got. Like, just look at all that. So super awesome, super excited to try that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys another random time for some other vinyl that I get in the mail. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.